Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to attach files in Proton Mail on PC. Proton Mail is a secure email platform that focuses on the privacy and encrypted communication. Besides sending regular messages, Proton Mail also allows users to attach files such as documents, photos and videos to the emails. And attaching files is useful when you want to share important information or media directly through your email. Attaching file is useful when you want to share important information or the media directly through your email. So first open any of the web browser that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar we can find type down proton.me and enter it. Over here, make sure to log into your account. In the top right, there's a sign in. Click over there, and once you get into this interface, have a Proton. You need to select to this mail beside the calendar here. Over here, you can click to the new message in the top left here, and over here you can select the file on the bottom. Over here we can find to this attach. I can select to this attachment here, and you can select any of the photos, files, documents. As I'm going to select one of the video over here, and you need to wait for the file to upload. And after selecting the file, Proton Mail will upload it and show the file name below the subject of the message area. And once the file is attached, you can select to this send button on the bottom right, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.